Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to do a video today with the assistance of my lovely wife on a new purchase of the Shark lift away vacuum that we just recently purchased through a Walmart company. And this is the box. This is not the box that it came in. It was a cardboard box, but it was the same size and didn't have any additional packing. But anyway, so my wife's going to unpack it and talk to you about it. So there are the all the components, and she will assemble it next.
Okay, so basically when you get your lift away Shark vacuum, it's going to come with 4 components that need to be assembled. And so the first thing is you have your vacuum floor pod here, and you'll need to put the lift away canister on top of it, and just basically, there's a connection point under here that just lines up with this receptacle, and then you just basically push it down and it locks on, and you can see you've installed those 2 pieces together. The next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to place the wand on the vacuum cleaner. So again, taking this end, you would basically just insert it down into this location, and it'll fall right in place and clicks and locks there. And then the last item you need to put together is the hose to the vacuum. And so I would basically just insert the top part into this end of the wand, and then the other end will go down, and it'll just simply, again, just line up with the canister, and it just clicks in place. And so now you have a fully assembled vacuum in 4 easy steps. Mine did come with a wand, which has a carry point right here, and then it also has a second tool called the pet cleaning tool, and it has 2 components to this. It has a brush component, and it has another non-brush component that you can use. So you can, again, if you wanted to use these, you would depress the hand release lever and pull up, and then this would simply attach to the vacuum. This vacuum has 2 ways that you can clean. You can clean in the upright position, that's with everything fully assembled. There's a point down here where the foot rests, and you just basically pull back on the canister, and you can rotate it across your floor. Okay, you can clean that way in an upright position. Or the other way that you can clean is you can lift off the canister that's here, and as you can see, you can use the canister this way. Now the canister, you just walk around and clean with your canister this way. If you need to, you can remove the wand. The wand can come off the lift away cleaning. So again, it makes it a little bit lighter Um, you know, you can attach your whatever tool you want. Clean, if you want to clean furniture, if you want to clean blinds. It's very easy. It's a very easy cleaning mechanism. This is very lightweight, to carry around. I have an extra long cord on my sweeper. It comes with 25 feet of cord, so I don't have to constantly find an outlet and replug my sweeper. My husband has noticed that in the new vacuum, the Shark lift-away vacuum, it operates much more quietly than my old wind tunnel. That I have a Hoover wind tunnel, and he's impressed with how quietly, you know, it is when I'm vacuuming. So again, a nice vacuum for the price. I paid approximately $185 for it, and it gives you two ways to clean. You can either do the upright, where the machine is completely assembled, or you can do the lift-away mechanism. And you know, another nice feature about this is if you want it when it's time. There's no filter in it. If it's time to empty the dust receptacle, again, it's just basically just attached to the vacuum. There's small release levers right here on the handle. It says right there, dust cup release. You just pull up, just a pull up action. There's the little dust cup that comes off. Again, very lightweight. You know, you can either, you know, let the dust come out the bottom, just right into your trash can. You can empty it that way. You can also empty it through the top receptacle. Again, you know, it fits right back on the receptacle when you get in. Easy storage, doesn't take up much room at all. In my closet. You know, so far I'm really enjoying it. I'm impressed with how much dirt I actually am getting up out of my carpet that apparently my L sweeper wasn't able to get. So anyway, hope this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, you know, give us a buzz.